In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need to add at least one password. If you want to do that, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that over to Save Passwords option is enabled. Log in to any app or any website and tap on Save in Google Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here. To add any other one from those settings, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Now, at the top, you can enter website data, or click on Select App and tap on the desired one. In my case, Discord. Now, type in username, email, or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!